Hello everyone and welcome back to the Paintology tutorials. Here we're going to show you how to do the much loved character Winnie the Pooh. So we're going to use the traced method of drawing this. So I've already loaded this traced image on my canvas. So like before, you can slide it up and down to see the original painting, the original drawing, and the empty canvas that we're going to draw. So we set it midway and you'll be able to work on it that way. But let's put it at the top and start loading our colors because we're going to use the same colors. So pick a tool here, and then let's pick the red, and then do it again, the yellow, and then I think that's pretty much all the colors, and of course the black. So as you can see, we have the palette colors already there for us to get going. So now it's a question of picking the brush size. So let's take the canvas back to its lowest settings so we can see what the brushes look like. That's obviously white, so let's pick the black. You can see, and then see if that's about the right size. Yep, looks about the right size. So that's the outline that we're going to use. So let's go back and let's just draw around using the black brush tool. Don't worry about getting it right. It will all come with practice. This way you learn to improve your drawings. And if we're going to color the bear's actual yellow color, we're going to have to maybe go over it with the black again. Okay, so let's take a look and see what it looks like. It's not bad. So now we're going to select the thicker brush. So we're going to color it in now. So let's see what that looks like. Yep, that's a good size. And then we're going to load it up with the color that we had on our palette. Oops, sorry about that. So we have to go down to the bottom. So again, so we have the colors for that. This is just one way of doing this drawing, but you can naturally use different techniques because the tool is versatile for you to be creative, and that's the whole idea of drawing, is to be creative. Let's get the bigger brush size so I can really work into those. Okay, and then let's see what it looks like. Not bad. We can go over it again. You know, entirely up to us. Let's take out that. And now let's go down and pick the other tool, the red. So you just go back again. That's the then I think that's all right. And then what we can do is improve this by selecting the black again. So now what we can do is increase the brush size to just a tad for the outline again, and so that's just one way of improving it. You'll be able to see what I've done on this. Okay, and the butterfly. So let's see what it looks like here. Not too bad. I mean, it could be better, but as you know, this is just an example to show you how it's all done. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, thanks. Bye-bye.